Thanks for tuning in. Got something to show you today. Just another quick little video. Package was just dropped off on my doorstep, and we're going to crack this open and see what we got here. I did make a purchase a little while ago from eBay, so I'm pretty excited to see if this is the one that I'm expecting. That would be nice. And let's get the magic scissors here and crack this open. Oh yeah, this is some heavy metal, that's for sure, and it is wrapped tight. Tight. Like, this is vacuum sealed. It feels like it, but I do feel there is a locomotive in here, that's for sure. I can tell by the weight. So what have we got in here? Bam! Here we go. Big Hudson 646, Lionel 646. Now this was advertised as a parts engine, but I mean, she is in beautiful shape. A little bit of some kind of a glue drip on this side, but don't care. Look at how straight those railings are. That is something else. Very clean underneath. You guys can see that. Looking really sharp. Paint is in really good shape. Some nicks and dings, don't mind. Has both the jewels. That's a bonus. I will take that. Looking at the E-unit, that is one clean looking E-unit. I like it. Definitely going to need some lubrication on the old bearing plate. That's looking a little dry. Oh, spitting out a gear here. That doesn't even belong to it. That is kind of like a Dremel saw gear, if you guys can see that. But clearly it's magnet traction because that was stuck to the wheels. Yeah, we're going to need a little bit of lubrication. Gears are looking in good shape though. Sweet, I am happy. Let's put that down. And as for, it's the smoke unit. It's in there. I don't know if it works yet, but it's in there. Now for part number 2. This is a tender. And this is a streamline tender. Nice. Missing the steps. Got a crack in the back. Doesn't matter to me. I don't mind these being a parts piece. Yeah, something's a little funky with that wheel there. It looks like it's been punched in a little bit. You can see she's not sitting too good and can't turn. But that's all right. I don't know what happened to that. It got bent pretty bad anyways. Oh, there it is. A wheel popped out. Problem though. So that was the purchase off of eBay. That is what came in today. We have a Lionel 646 and a streamline whistle tender. If I can't get that wheel thing straightened out, not a big deal. I have the components of a whistle tender that I can drop into another locomotive someday. But I think that is going to be an easy fix. So thanks for stopping by and checking out this unboxing video with me. And we'll get this thing on the bench, tear it apart, see what's going on inside, and we'll throw it on the track in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye now.